Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to learn about boundaries and frontiers with special reference to India. This is an important part in our political geography. First of all, key concepts, what is frontier and what is boundary. Frontier is a zone or belt of territory. Transitional, not a precise line. Okay, it's not a precise line. On the other hand, boundary is a precise line or a limit separating two sovereign states. Okay, characteristics of frontier: outward looking and dynamic. Zone of transition, older concept, pre-modern states, and evolves from nature, mountains and forest. On the other hand, boundary characteristics are inward looking and static, exact demarcated line, modern concept, nation state era, created by legal and political act. Example of frontiers: the tribal belt between British India and Afghanistan. And boundary, example, Redcliffe Line, 1947, India-Pakistan boundary, demarcated by Sir Cecil Redcliffe. Okay, frontier zone, outward, boundary, line, inward. And this distinction is frequently tested in UGC NET exam. Okay, frontier is a zone, outward, and boundary is a line, inward. Always remember this. Classification of boundaries based on Hudson 1936 and later refinement. Based on origin, antecedent, drawn before settlement, example McMahon Line in Arunachal Pradesh. Subsequent, drawn after settlement, example Redcliffe Line in 1947. Superimposed, imposed, ignoring culture, example Durand Line. These are imposed. Relict and relic no longer functions politically, example old colonial lines. Then based on nature, natural and physiographic, mountains, rivers, sea, example Himalayas as India-China border. Artificial and geometric, latitude and longitude lines, example 17 parallel in Korea. Ethnic and cultural, language, religion and race, example Cyprus. Demographic, population based, rarely pure. Based on legal status, delimited, boundary agreed on paper and treaty, demarcated, physically marked on ground, pillars and fences, disputed, de facto, controlled but not legally agreed, de jure, legally recognized by international law. Antecedent versus subsequent versus superimposed, most asked in net used in net examination. Okay, always link with Indian examples. India's international boundaries: 15,200 km land border boundary, then coastline 7,516 km, neighboring counties 7, states share borders 28 plus. Country length, boundary line and key issues. Pakistan 3,323 km length, boundary line Redcliffe Line 1947, disputed LOC in Jammu and Kashmir and Sar Creek. China 3,488 km, McMahon Line 1914, disputed LSC, line of actual control, Aksai Sin, Arunachal Pradesh. Nepal 1,751 km, open border treaty 1950, largely friendly, Kalapani dispute. Bhutan 699 km, friendship treaty 2007, Daklam Tree Junction with China. Bangladesh 4,156 km, Redcliffe Line, land boundary agreement 2015, resolved enclaves. Myanmar 1,643 km, no formal demarcation, free movement regime, insurgency issue. Afghanistan 106 km, Pak occupied Kashmir, Durand Line 1893, India-Afghanistan border through POK, Pak occupied Kashmir, currently disputed. India-Pakistan border, Durand Line separated British India from Afghanistan, still disputed by Pakistan as India's western frontier concept, 1893. 1947, Redcliffe Line, Sir Cecil Redcliffe demarcated boundary within 5 weeks during partition, classic example of superimposed boundary. 1948, line of control, LOC, ceasefire, line after first Kashmir war, converted to LOC by Simla Agreement, 1972, more or less 7,400 km in Jammu and Kashmir. 1960, Indus Water Treaty, World Bank brokered water sharing continues despite conflict, separation of functional boundaries. 1999, Kargil conflict, cross LOC infiltration, LOC violated, reinforcing importance of demarcated boundary lines. 2019, Article 370 abrogation, Jammu and Kashmir bifurcated into two urban union territories, boundary dynamics with Pakistan sense, LOC remains active frontier zone. Okay, Redcliffe Line is an example of superimposed boundary, LOC, de facto boundary, Simla Agreement 1972 converted ceasefire line to LOC. India-China border. Western sector, Ladakh, Aksai Chin occupied by China since 1950s. India claims it is a part of Ladakh Urban Union Territory. LSC line of axial control not demarcated. Galwan Valley class June 2020. Boundary type disputed and de facto. Middle sector, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, relatively less disputed. Watershed principle largely agreed upon. Some pockets of disagreement. Boundary type largely de facto agreed. Eastern sector, Arunachal Pradesh, McMahon Line 1914, Simla Convention, China rejects McMahon Line, calls it illegal, China calls Arunachal South Tibet, Tawang, strategically important district, boundary type, antecedent and superimposed. Okay, key terms, McMahon Line, antecedent, LSC line of axial control, de facto and Panchil Agreement 1954 and Galwan 2020. Theories of boundary making. Allocation, political decision on general area where boundary will be drawn based on treaties, wars or negotiations. Delimitation, selection of specific boundary line on maps. The Simla Convention 1914 delimiting McMahon Line is an example. Demarcation, physical marking of boundary on ground, pillars, walls, fences, rivers, Indo-Bangladesh fence, 3,142 km barrier. Administration, ongoing management, customs, immigration, Patrol India-Pakistan, Wagah Atari joint ceremony is symbolic administration. Key scholars, Hartson, 1936, Morphology of Boundaries, Box, Types, Prescott, Political Frontiers and Boundaries. Major boundaries disputes in India. Kashmir, India-Pakistan, Jammu and Kashmir, accession to India, October 1947, disputed by Pakistan. LOC divides the region, Pakistan controls Azad Kashmir. UNSC Resolution 47, 1948, plebiscite never held. Simla Agreement 1972, bilateral resolution framework. POJK, Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Aksai Chin, India-China. India claims it is a part of Ladakh. China controls it. China built a route through it in 1950s. India dictated late 1962 war. China occupied Aksai Chin. LSC remains undemocratic. Regular patrol standoffs. Galwan Valley clash, June 2020. Fatal confrontation. Shark Creek, India-Pakistan, a 96 km estuary in Ran and Kutch, Gujarat. Dispute over median line versus eastern bank principle. Pakistan wants median line. India boundary runs eastern side, impacts maritime boundary in Arabian Sea, status under negotiation. Kalapani Susta, India, Nepal, Kalapani T-junction of India, Nepal and China, Uttarakhand, Nepal's 2020 map since Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipulekh. India disputes based on incorrect reading on 1816 Sugail Treaty, Susta along Gangtok River, Bihar, slight shift claimed by Nepal, India-Nepal traditional occupant friendly border. Okay, LOC de facto, McMahon Line antecedent and disputed, Durand Line superimposed, Shark Creek maritime dispute. Geopolitical concepts and terms. Buffer zone, neutral area between two rival powers. Example, Bhutan as buffer between India and China. Nepal served historically. Enclave and exclave. Enclave, territory surrounded by another state. Exclave, territory detected by from mainland. Diagram, Angarpota, Bangladesh in India was a classic enclave resolved by LBA 2015. Settler Belt, region caught between competing great powers. South Asia as Settler Belt during Cold War between US and Soviet blocs. Heartland theory, McIntyre 1940, who rose the heart and looked the world island, who Central Asia as pivot, applied to understand India's subcontinental geopolitics. Rimland theory, Spikeman 1944, who controls the Rimland, rules Eurasia. South Asia, India is a part of the Rimland, key strategic location. Panoptic state modern surveillance-based border management, India's CIBMS, comprehensive integrated border management system along Bangladesh and Pakistan borders. McIntyre versus Spikeman understand both with India's strategic position. LBA 2015 is a landmark for enclave resolution. Okay, concepts, frontier, zone, belt and outward looking transitional, boundary, precise line, inward looking static and legal, antecedent, boundary drawn before settlement, McMahon Line, subsequent drawn after settlement, example, Radcliffe Line 1947, superimposed, imposed, ignoring culture, Durand Line 1893, relict, no longer function, old colonial lines, LOC line of control, Jammu and Kashmir de facto boundary post 1972, LOC line of actual control, India, China, undemarcated. Boundary lines and agreements, McMahon Line 1914, Simla Convention, India, China, Eastern, Radcliffe Line 1947, India, Pakistan, superimposed boundary, Durand Line 1893, Afghanistan, Pakistan, superimposed, LBA 2015, Land Boundary Agreement, India, Bangladesh enclaves resolved, Simla Agreement 1972, converted ceasefire line to LOC, Pencil 1954, 5 principles, India, China, peaceful coexistence, CIBMS, comprehensive integrated border management system, India, Shark Creek 96 km estuary dispute, India, E-Bank versus Pakistan, median. Okay, boundaries and frontiers. Frontier zone, outward transition, boundary line, inward, inert and static. Boundary types, antecedent, superimposed, subsequent and elect. India shares borders with 7 countries. Each has unique geopolitical issues. Key lines, Redcliffe, McMahon, Duran and LOC and LSC. Key agreements, Simla 1972, LBI 2015, Council to 1954, Hartson in 1996 and Hartson 1936 and Prescott, Foundational Scholars of Political Boundaries. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.